Smashing it down. We are on the way to Cornwall. Say hi now.
Hi.
My chauffeur. And about 3-4 weeks ago we got a message on our Instagram from one of our students of the home design lab saying, Fia Neil, really excited, we've just got our Airbnb holiday cottage all ready and we used your course to help design it. So we instantly were like, wow, first, like, they've done an amazing job renovating it. The design is gorgeous, really Cornish coastal, it's gorgeous, we'll show you when we get there. And we were just like, okay, when can we book in? So that's what we're doing today. We're staying for a couple of nights. We're going to enjoy some of the area. It's a place called Tregony, so it's not far from Truro. About a 10-15 minute drive from the beaches. And we're really excited. So yeah, follow us on our journey of taking a look at this gorgeous property and exploring some of the Cornish coastline. We have an hour and 17 minutes left. We set off at about 7:30 and we've been listening to some podcasts, made a stop for a coffee, and we also got chatting about a question for you. Which county would you rather live in? Let us know in the comments below. What did we say? Where would we rather?
I think we just marked off every single county.
I mean, everywhere is actually better than Sussex though.
No.
I don't know.
Sussex is good as well.
So yeah, let us know where you would choose. It is so wonderful to be in Anna's kitchen. So she's completely renovated this whole property and created this amazing, really relaxing space that's got such an element of cohesion and flow. Absolutely love it. And she used our home design lab course to do every single step of it. It's been really cool to be able to come to an actual property that's been done by one of our students, and it's just so lovely. So yeah, I'm really pleased to be here with you now and showing you around. So as you walk into the living room, you can see that Anna's chosen some neutral but really warm colours for in here. The beige really contrasts well against the black finishes like the lighting. I love the way Anna has introduced a variety of natural linens all throughout the property. So you've got the linen of the curtain, really nice lampshades, really nice furniture. She's gone for like a lighter wash wood that really complements each other, so there's no real mix of woods, which is good. This is a room that caters to every season, so come the winter there's a wood burning stove to light, and I like how she's chosen to have the flue return into the wall for a minimal and contemporary look. Lots of cushions and blankets to reach for too if the temperatures drop. In the kitchen, she's kept the layout open with one line of units and an extendable table tucked nicely underneath the stairs. I love how she's chosen the same floors running throughout the whole ground floor. It brings this sense of cohesion, and this chevron plank has such a strong personality. It's the perfect canvas to work from, suiting all the other furniture and colours in the rooms. This floor is the chamois pale oak from Luxury Flooring. So she's obviously gone for one range at the bottom, another range at the top. I think that's really clever. And then yeah, I also really like the tiles that she's gone with. Absolutely gorgeous, like some really nice details, lovely grout lines that are going to be easy to clean. Really like that. And yeah, there's just a lot of storage going on in here, you know, it's enough for people that are on holiday for a week. One of my favourite rooms of the house has to be the master bedroom. I think it's so neutral, serene, calm, and it's the sort of place that you just want to hop into bed. It's gorgeous. So she's got the gorgeous like warm earthy tones next to the really crisp linen to give that real hotel feel. I love the cladding. It really brings a whole sense of personality to the space. If you're ever stuck on, you know, if you think that, oh, this room's not really doing it enough, like there's something missing, then usually inviting some cladding in is the perfect choice. But yeah, full height, floor to ceiling, absolutely timeless. This is a hidden little secret, this room. I mean, if you've got a kid, 2 kids, this is going to delight them. These beautiful bunk beds. There's a lovely little nook here with loads of lovely books for them to read, and the same up here too. But then also a little reading lamp on each bunk, which is so sweet. I love that. And yeah, a lovely tall boy with a whole load of storage. And as a really small room, I think she's done superbly well to get 2 beds in here, ample storage. Yeah, I think it's been beautifully done. Is about a 14-minute drive on a typical Cornish road. It's so narrow, like you do not want to bump into another car, let alone a tractor. But it was so lovely. The hedgerows, like loads of foxgloves in the hedgerows, and the sun's out, which is really not expected. BBC was saying it was going to be absolutely smashing it down for the whole time, so we feel pretty fortunate. But yeah, this coastline is just absolutely gorgeous. It's reminded me a lot of Ireland, where my family are all from. They're from the west coast, and yeah, the beaches are very similar. That kind of darkish kind of sand, and loads of green, and then houses just on the hill, overlooking this beautiful, vast sea. It's stunning, and we get a lot of inspiration here whenever we come to locations like this. The colours and the nature, and it's just beautiful. It's so lovely.
Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was.
We had such a great time here. Neil always says that Cornwall is the closest to going on an overseas holiday in this country, and it definitely delivered once more. In terms of what to do in the area, the old coach house was pretty close to some stunning walks and pubs and villages, and it's actually not far from the classic Cornish fishing villages like Mevagissey if you fancy an ice cream or a pasty. Oh, and if you're into hiking like Neil and I are, we really recommend the circular from Port Holland to Port Lowe for some of the most breathtaking coastal views we've ever seen. It was pretty hilly in parts, but regular stops to enjoy that gorgeous view definitely brought the old blood pressure down. It was very welcome. I hope you enjoyed this little snippet of our work and life, and please stick around for more to come. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!